Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data migration with AWS Snowball step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your data migration requirements. Identify the source and destination of your data. Evaluate the amount of data to be transferred. Determine the bandwidth available for the transfer. Register for AWS Snowball via the AWS Management Console. Select Snowball as your data transfer service. Choose the appropriate Snowball size based on your data needs. Specify your job type, either for import or export. Fill in the necessary job details, including your shipping address. Review and confirm your job for data migration. Wait for confirmation from AWS, which will include a tracking number. Once received, unpack your Snowball device carefully. Connect the device to your local network. Access the Snowball management interface using your browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a data transfer job. Use the Snowball client to securely transfer data to the device. Monitor the progress of your data transfer in real time. Once the data transfer is complete, finalize the job on the Snowball device. Prepare the Snowball for return shipping, ensuring it's securely packed. Ship the device back to AWS using the provided return shipping label. Track the return shipment to ensure it reaches AWS. After AWS receives the Snowball, the data is imported into your S3 bucket. Verify that the data has been successfully migrated by checking your S3 bucket. Review logs and reports for any errors or issues during migration. Now you have successfully managed your data migration with AWS Snowball. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.